You must start as me. And it. Okay, guys. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Needy Love in the house. And this is my niece
Zaira.
And today we're gonna do a YouTube video where we're gonna make a... What you gonna do again today?
I'm gonna do her makeup.
Yes. She said she's good at it. And she'll be watching some video and I'm saying, well, why not? So I'm gonna let her do my makeup today and then we're gonna see how it turns out. So let's go, guys. You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I like to take my beauty blender and blend her face. Make sure you guys don't get it on the eyebrows because that's where we're gonna use that. Try your hardest not to get it on the eyebrows because you're gonna be doing a lot of work there. And you don't want it to look like it's just a whole bunch of brown and black stuff. So make sure you get it above the eyebrows. Close your eyes. Try your hardest not to get it on her lashes too. That's the most thing I'm trying the hardest not to get on. Yeah, I'm a professional.
Well, we'll see.
Okay, don't put too much because that's gonna make her skin look a little too light, but oh yeah, by the way, this is a tutorial. So if y'all wanna follow this or if y'all just watch it for fun, the chin area.
You have to do all the way the neck.
I know.
Oh, okay. My bad. I should be quiet, guys, right? And let her do her job.
Do my thing. You guys are probably wondering, how do I know how to do all this stuff? I watch a lot of videos, you know, mostly Kylie Jenner, but
if you have to get on this side, you can, you know. So you make sure you get them. Or should I turn like that?
Yeah, that's better. Okay. We should have did a Q&A. Answer questions for my fans. Or just answer questions. Random question.
Okay, we can do that.
want to tell them my age?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I'm only 9.
She is only 9, guys.
Next month I turn 10.
Yeah. But she still don't know what she wants for her birthday. I'll be asking her. She's my baby, but she don't want to tell me. She said she don't know yet, so I'll be patient.
I mean, cause like a lot of things you can't really do. So like, if I said I wanted to go to Chicago, I can't.
True.
I think that
She means we can't because of the virus right now. So
can you look up like that? We'll try not to laugh.
No, you're making me laugh.
I'm gonna shout some people out.
Go ahead.
Shout out to my mom. And my grandma in Haiti. I think that's good.
I think so too.
Yeah, that's good. Next thing, I am going to take the concealer. I got
Like that, so they can see what you're doing here.
this is by Kiss concealer. This is Kiss concealer. To be honest, I don't use no other concealer for Kiss.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't even know their name. I'm just using them, guys. She knows.
If I do something wrong, don't come for me.
Who? Me?
Anybody.
Okay. You don't come for her if she did anything wrong, you know, guys. She's just learning. She's new, and you know, she's using my beautiful face here. Don't come for her, please. Don't say anything bad, please.
I'm gonna switch up my brushes. I'm gonna say brushes. I mean beauty blenders.
Okay.
I'm just gonna use this blue one.
Okay.
We're beating her face right now.
Ooh, I can feel that already.
Can you close it? Close your eyes.
Okay.
I literally thought you were kidding when you said I could do it.
Well, you know, anything for you.
Almost forgot the nose. Looks good on camera. Now I'm going to go. Yeah. But to go in with a smaller brush. So we're gonna get underneath chin mark.
You can speak louder. So.
It's not my fault. I never did this. I'm gonna go on the nose now. Still don't come for me.
Don't come for her, guys.
Just a little bit more on the other side. What I learned is like if you put like browser on, you have to like go up. You can't just like go into between your cheeks, because when you smile, that makes your face go down.
Okay.
So that's why you go up.
Okay. I didn't know that, so.
Because it's gonna make you look like a sad person.
Ooh. Nobody wants to look sad, right?
No. So I'm also gonna go in. So I'm gonna brush her eyebrows up, because if you brush your eyebrows like down, like they make your eyebrows like sag, or like if you brush them like super, You guys get what I'm saying. So this is why I always brush my eyebrows up. So when I fill them in, like the lines don't, the eyebrow hairs don't go down, they go up. So then I'm doing this one a little bit, but brush it out a little more. Move. Actually, hold on for a little bit. Don't even see nothing.
I'm just gonna sit on the bed.
At this point, call me if y'all need your makeup. I'm gonna blend that out. I got this process where you rub that, rub.
Side. You actually help your teeth.
I'm gonna do the other one now.
What?
I'm so focused right now. $35 shade palette. So this has 35 shades. I'm not trying to
Kiki, are you mad or no?
Mad.
Huh?
Why?
Okay.
You feel like I'm mad?
No.
Okay.
That was a joke. Guys, you hurry up. You don't have time.
Professional. Trying not to get my hopes up. Make it a little darker because I'm gonna be doing that. We're good.
What's the matter?
Never mind. No, nothing. Oh, if you guys wonder what this brush is, this is a shadow black brush. I'm gonna take some more highlighter. Actually, not more, because I didn't put highlighter. I'm sorry about this. Taking a little bigger brush and apply just a little bit to the nose. Yeah, a little bit. We're gonna cut that out. Okay. Oh, this is bright. I'm going in with a pink blush. It's not gonna be like that though. Turn on the other side. Just a streak. Y'all probably don't even do this. A little more. Put it off the red nose right here. With my finger. As you guys know, soft girls are soft, like I said, but inside they're very mean. Not one of those people who just go like, You guys are probably asking, why did I do pink? I don't like pink though. That's the thing.
Why did you do?
Because I thought you liked it pink. I thought every girl likes pink.
Why don't you?
I like blue. I guess you could say I do her makeup better than her.
Ha!
What's that supposed to mean?
Oh, you might be right. So let's see.
London mascara. That's what it is. Yeah. I'm actually not scared about this one. Well, that was supposed to happen? Close your eyes. Like, I used to wear mascara to school. Everybody thought I was weird. Because it makes them so curved. It's like a brush for eyelashes. Oh my gosh. They don't look bad. In person, they don't look bad. Wait, open. I'm scared. Don't kill me. I'm going to jail for this.
Well, did you say wear together?
That was weird.
I don't wear eyelashes. Is it fake eyelashes?
Yeah.
It's just mine. So.
I
don't think she would know how to do it either. So.
What are you talking about?
Okay.
I'm gonna do her lip now. Whew. What what my tip is when you outline the lip and you try to get like a type of color, like, because her lips are very pink and brown, like pink and brown. So you want to give it a color as if there's nothing on there. I cannot do it. Oh my God. Y'all see that mark, right? You see it, right? So, right there is where you get, oh man, you get,
For real?
yes, good. And use your blender, okay? That's all I gotta say. And you blend.
That's your technique.
What I do when I blend it with the lip, it's gonna be like, it's gonna look like that. But I'm gonna use like these brushes, kind of smooth it out. So when it covers up, it's still gonna look like it's a line right there, but it's also not gonna be there. So it's kind of gonna be there, but like it gives her a real line. This get enough likes, I'll let her do my makeup.
Ha! I'm next, guys.
Okay. If y'all saw this in real life, this is so pretty. More. Let's see what. Oh yeah, go follow me on my TikTok because that's like so cute underscore. You got comedy over there, dancing, popularity. Y'all might even see me on the For You page.
Yeah, and what's the For You page?
For You page is the page where whatever pops up. Big shout out to Charlie D'Amelio and Addison Ray, big dancers. I hope somebody famous see this video.
Bottom up.
Okay.
She's laughing at my choice. I'm the client. You know, takes what I want. Okay, so what you wanted?
I thought it was like, I don't really do this often. We're gonna put on the lipstick and then the gloss. She has Smoke and Mirrors Shimmer Chrome Lip Gloss and a lipstick. So I don't want the bottom.
Okay.
Can't wait till you see it here. Now we're gonna go over it. Wait, hold up. Oh, just a little more. Over there. Okay, let's go. Now we're gonna go in with the smoke. Over there. Look at that.
Well, let me know what you guys think. Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe another time we can try again, right?
Maybe.
Try something else.
I want a little
Another
bit
color.
more. I want a little.
Okay.
A lot more, actually.
Okay.
It's so funny. Oh, your nipples glimmering.
I know, right?
That's why I put a little pink blush and highlighter. Oh, yeah, I forgot to do that. Oh, Bert. Comment down below if you guys, if you guys like it. If you guys don't, that's that. But
it's okay. She did my makeup.